Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with one more interesting update for all the IT students and freshers. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. Yes, so dear students and the freshers, we are pleased to inform you that there is a golden opportunity to get a dream job in Capgemini, and we are here to give the details about the same. So this is a brief introduction about Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational IT company and it is headquartered in Paris, France. It has more than 270,000 employees in more than 50 countries, of whom almost 50% are in India. To get more details about Capgemini, you may visit their website, which is www.capgemini.com. Yes, so dear viewers, as mentioned earlier, there is a golden opportunity to get a dream job in Capgemini, and also there are prizes worth rupees 20 lakhs to win. Okay, and these are the details. Tech Challenge, it is one of the largest hackathons in India, which Capgemini has been arranging. Over 7.5 lakhs people have been a part of this challenge in last 7 years. There are prizes worth rupees 20 lakhs to be won, and also as mentioned earlier, there is a chance to land into a dream job in Capgemini. You will also get exclusive mentoring from the tech wizards of Capgemini and an opportunity to showcase your tech skills in front of a C-suite jury, the celebrated leaders from the startup, academia, and IT industry. So these are the details about the contest. It is a unique gamified application for tech enthusiasts and students to deliver their best standalone web applications. The challenge is designed to identify the best programmers in the campus and also from working professionals. So there are two types of contests. One is regional challenge, which is from the four regions of the country, East, West, North, and South. And other is game specific or theme specific challenge. And eligibility is any tech enthusiast from any background like BE, Tech, BSc, BCS, BCA, MSc, MCA, ME, MTech can apply for this contest. So this is how selection of 70 finalists for grand finale will occur from across the country. 50 finalists will be selected from theme challenge, 5 from each of the following 10 skills, okay, which are Appian, React.js, Full Stack Java, AWS, Snowflake, SFDC Lightning, Pega, Data Science, DiSpark, and GCP. And apart from these 50, 20 finalists will be chosen from regional track challenge, 5 from each of the 4 regions, East, West, South, North. These are important dates of this tech challenge. The regional level 1 challenge is between 7th June to 19th June 2021, while regional level 2 challenge is between 28th June to 19th July 2021. Okay, the grand finale of this challenge will occur on 4th and 5th of September 2021. And as far as registrations are concerned, registrations are now open. So please hurry up and register for this exciting challenge at the earliest. So to get more details about this challenge and to register for it, you are requested to visit this URL, which is bit.ly/capgeminijune. We repeat, it's bit.ly/capgeminijune, June. And please note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that when you enter this URL in the web browser, address bar of your browser, you enter it correctly. So thank you so much viewers for watching this video. We hope that you are liking our videos and finding them helpful. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We offer various courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, machine learning, etc. And along with quality trainings, we offer 100% guaranteed placement support. We launch and we start new batches in both online offline mode every week. To get more details about our courses, please call on these mentioned numbers 8983012051 or 52 or 55. So this is the snapshot of one of the most popular courses at Profound EduTech, which is Full Stack Java Developer course, which covers your programming fundamentals. Then in backend we have Java Track, Core Java, Advanced Java frameworks. In the front end we have Web Design plus Angular. We also cover server-side JS and NoSQL database. Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, along with Python and software testing in it. Aptitude and soft skill sessions are offered complimentary to prepare you for campus drives, and yes, you get certified after completing the course. This is a similar course in full stack .NET developer. Everything is same except for Java track. We have .NET track, which covers C Sharp, ASP.NET, and Advanced .NET, which includes MVC, WCF, WPF. This is a similar course in advanced diploma in software testing. So those who are interested in software testing, they prefer to enroll for this course, which covers both manual testing as well as automation testing with programming fundamentals. So these are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online or offline trainings, are live trainings, which means that they are not pre-recorded trainings. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction is possible between the students and trainers, which helps the students to get all their doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. As seen in the snapshots of our courses, we cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course, which not only helps you to get knowledge of multiple technologies and languages, but it also helps you to explore more opportunities which are specific to those technologies and skills. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge, and we have daily assignments for our students which they practice them in the lab. In the labs also we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments. Whatever the students learn, they implement it on real world project. And the most special thing as at Profound EduTech is along with quality trainings, we arrange daily exclusive campus drives for our trained students in Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, etc. So please keep in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has more than 50,000 likes. We keep posting regular updates on Facebook, so please do like our Facebook page. Also do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all the updates regularly. You may also find us on Telegram. Our website is www.profoundedutech.com, and also please follow us on Instagram on the given handle, where we keep posting all the updates regularly and instantly. So dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope to see you soon once more, and till then, please take care and keep safe.